All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful, 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 beautiful. Did I mention beautiful? This beautiful Thursday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed as Bitcoin is once again pumping Sam Bankman-Fried and his infamous man breasts are pumping the Bitcoin price, as today he is going to be sentenced to find out whether or not he gets to go back to Caroline in the Bahamas after 6 years, or is he going to have to live with this guy for the rest of his life. Make sure to smash up the like button, y'all, because if we can get 1,000 likes within the first 30 minutes of this live stream, baby, as Bitcoin is pumping, baby, we are going to give away 1,000 USDT. All right, major shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to CryptoFace. Shout out to Market Cipher. All right, Market Cipher got the Market Cipher mug. All right, out of stock. All right, this is a limited edition. All right, huge shout out to MEXC. Best deal on fees, guys. Best deal on fees, absolutely. Huge shout out to BingX, other exchange that I trade on. Massive shout out to ZoomX, the other exchange that I trade on. And guys, as you can see right now, Bitcoin is coming down to the wire. Bitcoin coming down to the wire. All right, look at this. Look at this. We are right now about to potentially break out of this box. This is the box we have had in our chart for the longest time since the long setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. All right, I have to give a huge shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord because we are crushing these charts. First of all, setup given last week, swing long, very, very, very juicy trades that we're in right now. All right, now yesterday also very, very juicy day of trading. All right, yesterday we were looking for first a drop. All right, short setup given in advance. Short setup was absolutely played out perfectly, right? We got the short from right here, came down to the long entry. All right, the juicy long entry that has been given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord during the live stream. All right, as we came down to the Fibonacci golden pocket with the bullish divergences. All right, we actually took the 2 long trades tomorrow. These are setups that we give in advance in the Casper Crew, going through the live price action. And baby, I've been bullish on Bitcoin ever since Sunday, and I'm expecting a new high. Now, right now, the Bitcoin price is coming up to a very important area. All right, the Fibonacci 786. What's going to happen here? It depends. It really depends, guys. This is down to the wire. This is the make it or break it moment for Bitcoin. If we break out, I'm going to have to change my thumbnail to even a more shocked face. Because we are at the Fibonacci 786. If we're going to get a rejection, guys, if we're going to come lower, it's going to be from this level. Okay, this is a key level, and if we break it, bam, we're going to hit a new high. I have to give a major shout to the Casper Crew VIP Discord taking this juicy long trade, guys. All right, look at this. Look at this. People mocked me for being bullish yesterday. You are mocking me. Look at this. Wow. All right, we're going to get into why we got the move to the upside, guys. Okay, we're going to get into why we got the move to the upside. New York has literally just opened right now. Let's go to the 1 minute chart quickly. Look at this. Rejection from the 786. Rejection from the 786. Oh my goodness. Can't you even believe it? Rejection from the 786. All right. Looks like Sam Bankman-Fried's sentencing is also happening right now, guys. It's happening right now. Crazy stuff, man. This really is crazy stuff. All right, huge shout out to everybody in the chat right now. major shout out to everybody in the chat. Make sure to smash up the likes because we are going to be doing a giveaway, baby. All right, if we get 1,000 likes within the first half hour. Okay, so Bitcoin getting a little bit of a move down right now as we speak, y'all. All right, this is our very key level. Who do we have in the chat right now? Let's see. First of all, a major shout out to Joe Potter. A major shout out to Chris Cow. Already liquidity is forming on the $67,000 level. All right, major shout out to May Low, who says I'm tired. Am I shooting for 75K? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. All right. Yes, I am. Now, guys, this little rejection that we're seeing right now. All right, this could give us a bit of a pullback before another pump. All right, this could give us a bit of a pullback before another pump. All right, so we really got to kind of watch what happens here. We have to watch what happens here, guys. All right. Massive shout out to Nick. What's going on? Shout out to Norman. He says best TA. Best TA. Man, let's see if we get the rejection or the bounce, baby. Let's see if we get the rejection or the bounce right now. All right, huge shout out to Master JTN. Blessed Holy Week. May God bless you, Master JTN. All right, Fit Genius 618. Let's pump this Bitcoin. I'm tired of seeing the all-time high being teased. Yes, this very well could be the day, guys. This very well could be the day. All right, this very well could be the day. Let's see what happens here. Bitcoin coming down to the wire. We have just gotten a liquidity grab. All right, we take a look at this little range right here that we were forming on the 1 minute time frame. We had a little mini range. All right, we come in right here. We take the liquidity. All right, we got a little move to the downside, but it looks like she wants to break out, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Now, I do want to take a look at some other things before we get into the charts. All right. We have seen, actually, guys, I have to be honest with you, this looks quite bullish to me right now. This looks quite bullish to me right now. We have seen bullish order flow forming here, right? As the price is getting higher up in this range right here, we are actually seeing the CBD getting lower, much lower, and the open interest getting higher. So this rise that we've seen here throughout the past few hours is actually looking pretty dang bullish. All right, now Sam Bankman-Fried is on trial right now. Bitcoin is pumping right now. All right, Bitcoin is pumping. All right, I added a little bit to that short trade on this rejection. Let's see what happens here. All right, clearly looks like we're pumping out. All right, pumping out, pumping out, pumping out. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, I am leaning bullish on Bitcoin today. I'm going to tell you why. Shout out to Memory Man. Shout out to Brad Roth. All right, shout out to Quicker. Man, Bitcoin is pumping like a wild woman in distress right now, guys. All right. Let's see what happens. If we stop, let's see, short trade about to be stopped out. Short trade stopped out. For a $2,000 win, baby. And these other trades here are just example Ethereum trades. But you know what's ironic about these Ethereum trade examples that I was giving this morning is, man, if I had kept them open, they would have been in some juicy profits. All right, baby. Bitcoin pumping right now. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, guys. Can you believe this? We are above the 786 Fibonacci right now. This is crazy. All right, Sam Bankman-Fried pumping the Bitcoin price right now, y'all. Huge shout out to Good Eggs NFT. Bullish on Good Eggs. All right. 72,200 is a high volume node. All right, man. This is nuts. All right. This is absolutely nuts right now. This is nuts right now, man. We are locking in these juicy trades. Okay, so let's discuss a little bit what's happening with this Bitcoin price, guys. All right. Make sure to smash up the likes. Can you believe this, man? Bitcoin pumping like a wild woman right now. All right. Bitcoin pumping like a wild lady. I'm really thinking we hit a new high. I thought it was going to happen yesterday. Maybe it will happen today, guys. All right. Can we take out 71.8? Can we take out this last high? Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. This is crazy. Let's go straight to 100K. What's my next target? Honestly, my next target is 74,000. That's currently where I have my next, I have my next TP on here, but come on, Bitcoin. Don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me now. The stress is real, guys. All right? The stress is real right now. Okay? So here's the deal. All right, here is the deal. First of all, the deal is, guys, make sure to smash up the likes because we are going to be giving away $1,000 if we can get 1,000 likes in the next 15 minutes. I do not like what I see right now in this 1 hour candle here, guys. I do not like it. I do not like it. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh, no. Bearish divergences. Bearish divergences. On the 24-minute time frame, we've got bearish divergences. That's not what I want to see. All right. As you guys can see on the 24-minute time frame, it looks like our good friend Sam Bankman-Fried is rearing his ugly upside down crooked man boobs. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, guys, my hopes and dreams are literally being dashed to smithereens right now. This isn't how I wanted it to go. But look, I even added to my short and it got stopped out. They stopped me out and they hit the 886 fib. We have Sam Bankman-Fried's upside down man boobs on market Cipher B. And we're back into the range with a really bearish candle. Could be a bearish engulfing candle on the 24-minute time frame. Okay, now this is not what I want to see, guys, because as the title of the video says, I am literally in $700,000. $700,000. 400,000 on this long trade. Another $150,000 on this long trade here. And another $150,000 on this long trade here. $700,000 on the line, baby. And we are seeing Sam Bankman-Fried's upside down breaths. The pain and the heartache, okay? The pain and the heartache. Well, look, I want to share a glimmer of hope with you guys, okay? Just a glimmer of hope. All right. First of all, let's understand the context of the market. We'll go to the weekly time frame first, and we understand that this right here is the previous bull market all-time high. All right. Now, I've been bullish on Bitcoin, looking for a new high, but the context is, guys, we are printing a red dot on the weekly time frame. All right. Now, when you get a red dot on the weekly time frame, what does that mean? It means sideways and down, sideways and down. All right. Now, the reason I am looking for another big push to the upside here, guys, is because the daily green dot has confirmed bullish on Sunday night. And when I saw this thing bullish, I let everybody know in the Discord, I'm bullish. I'm looking for a pump. Now, since that green dot has confirmed, we have gotten about a 10-11% move to the upside here, okay? And here's the thing. I still think, because look, so far, people were starting to get very bearish right here. And when we came down to this bottom, what happened? When we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, we printed a very nice bottom right here, okay? We got bullish divergence on market Cipher B, the regular Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern, and then from that time, we have changed market structure, right? We have made a low, a high, a higher low, now a higher high, and now look at what happened here yesterday. We came back down to retest that $69,182 level, a very key level. Not only did we retest it, but look at this. We dipped below, we broke out, then we came back down again for a retest, and now we're back to the top of this sideways range right here, okay? Now, what did we do also yesterday? We took the liquidity from all these highs, right? Everybody who was getting bearish here. We basically stopped all of them out, and then we stopped out everybody who was getting bullish here, and now we're back into the range. We're back at the top of the range. Now, at the very least, guys, if you are long, this is a place to take some profits, okay? There's a place to take some profits. But when we look at our 4-hour time frame, all right, I've been saying this, I'm going to stick to it. I said the next 4-hour dot we see on Market Cipher B after that daily, that's going to be go time, baby. That's going to be the move that takes us to the new high. Now, once we get to the new high, in my opinion, and I could be wrong, this ain't no financial advice, I am actually expecting us to get a bit more of a pullback here, because historically speaking, we have seen Bitcoin in these ranges. Like, let's just take a look at the last weekly red dot that we printed here. What happened at the last weekly red dot? Well, we had a range. People were getting bearish way too early. I told everybody, no, I'm still bullish. We're going to get another high. And when we printed the green dot on Market Cipher B, we got a new high. We wrecked all the shorts, and then we got more of a pullback, made a lower low, and then we start to pump as we print the next green dot on Market Cipher B on the weekly. Well, we are seeing that same exact pattern play out now, right? We got the red dot confirmed on the weekly, but on the daily, it's telling us, don't get too bearish yet. Don't get too bearish yet. All right? Now, if you're in the Casper crew, huge shout out to you, because we have been crushing these charts. And guys, we have just a little bit more time left to get 1,000 likes. If everybody likes the video right now, I will be giving away 1,000 USDT. I'll be giving away 1,000 USDT. All right, trade setup, long setup, given in advance. Yesterday morning, the first thing I told the community while I was still in bed is I was looking to long the level. All right, we longed the level. I've been keeping everybody updated step by step with what is going on right here. And here's the thing, because we've already taken out this liquidity right here, I'd say it's more likely than not now, because there's no more stop losses really to trigger here, that we get another little bit of a push to the upside. And once we get a push to the upside, I'm expecting us to get sucked up to this area around the $74,000 zone. All right? Around the $74,000 zone. See if we can't. Okay, never mind. Yeah. So huge shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Huge shout out to everybody in the chat right now. All right. Shout out to, can you analyze Dusk? What is Dusk? I've never heard of it. Yeah, maybe we can. Daily is a bullish div. I don't know if it's a bullish div, man. I don't know if it's a bullish div. But again, guys, today is a shocking day. All right, it is absolutely shocking. Our friend SBF is getting sentenced to between 6 years and 100 years in jail. All right. Now, we cannot be too mad at this guy, because he did give us some cheap Bitcoin at $15,000, and also we can't be mad at him. Now, look, he's lost weight, but back in the day, he had some juicy uneven man boobs. And again, these uneven man boobs, guys, is how we were able to get into the long trade yesterday. As we came down to key support, we were seeing the Sam Bankman-Fried bullish man boob pattern on the chart, and now here we are, guys. Look at this juicy profit right here, all because of our good friend SBF. So today, we're going to find out what happens, all right? Maybe when FTX goes down, Bitcoin dumps, when SBF gets 100 years in prison, then we're going to pump, baby. All right? All right. Huge shout out to our mods in the chat, all right? Shout out to Crypto Coons, shout out to Aaron G, shout out to Crypto Crank, shout out to J-Boy Bullish, all right? Shout out to Ricky. Shout out to Ricky. Oh man, he'll come back with a 6-pack. Man, then we'll have to have the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried 6-pack pattern. All right, the 6-pack pattern. All right, let's get this hype going, guys. All right, New York has just opened. Let's take a quick look at the order flow chart and see how is she looking in the moment here. All right, because New York has given us a little bit of a push. All right, let's check it out. 1 minute. Oh my goodness. Well. What do we see? So, interesting. Basically, we just saw a whole bunch of longs get trapped at the top, but now they're all kind of out of their positions again. New York volatility. You know, I would say in general, guys, this whole area here did look pretty bullish. Right? Look at this. We're seeing the price make higher highs. We're seeing the CBD get lower here, and a pretty considerable amount of longs opening up. It's open interest is, you know, it's iffy, but in general we can see it going up. So this could be the start of a pump. All right. And look, guys, here's the thing. I'm putting my neck on the line here. All right, all you armchair quarterback traders out there, trust me, it's hard to do this. It's hard to put yourself out on the line, guys. I've been making bullish predictions. Here's the thing. So far, I've been pretty on point, okay? And it's not about being right every time either. It's about sticking to a conviction, trading your plan, doing it with good risk management so that you can be consistent over time, right? That's really what it's about here, guys. All right, that's really what it's about. So look, if I'm wrong, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you to take a trade. I'm not telling you to buy Bitcoin. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I'm telling you why I think I am bullish. I think I'm bullish. Jason Casper's bullish. All right, you know it's pumping. All the YouTubers are live at the same time. Guys, make sure to smash the like button. All right, make sure to smash the like button. So yeah, Bitcoin right now, look at this daily candle. All right, look at what happened yesterday. Support resistance flip. We had the key level at 69,182. Right? Let's make it a little bit thicker here. We had that key level at 69,182. This is the previous bull market all-time high. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. We come up, we reject. We come up, we flip it into support, and then we lose it. Everyone gets really bearish, and then we break above, retest, bam. And when we get that retest and bam, we get the bullish daily dot. Okay, let's check out our 12-hour time frame. Look at that, VWAP hesitant to hold, and man, let's check out our 6-hour. All right, definitely some room to the upside on the 6-hour, the 4-hour. We want to see this money flow cross into the blue, guys. Blue money flow cross on the 4-hour. That's going to give us our big move to the upside. Maybe we get a bit of a pullback first. All right, maybe we get a bit of a pullback first. But I do have to say, 1 hour's looking really nice to me for more continuation here. All right, 1 hour's looking real nice for a bit more continuation here. Let's see. Let's see. Will there be a dump in May? I don't even know, but guys, we have 2 minutes for everybody to like the stream. In 2 minutes, guys, stop what you're doing right now. Like the stream. I want to give away $1,000. All right, I do. What do I think about ICP? I think it's very bullish. I'm bullish on ICP. Shout out to IPP Crypto. Shout out to Harold Madrano. Will there be a dump after the new all-time high? I'm expecting it. All right, J-Boy Bullish is not convinced that we're pumping, all right? He's not convinced. J-Boy Bullish, are you bearish, man? J-Boy bearish in the chat? Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Oh, man. 7 million longs at the top. All right, hang on. Let's go to Exo charts. It's not working, hang on. There we go. It's not working. I must not be logged in, I'm not logged in, am I? What the heck? Yeah, I'm not logged in. Dang it! Alright, J-Boy Bullish says 7 million longs trapped at the top. Guys, don't long the top, please. Please. Don't long the top. Alright, hang on. Hang on. I'm gonna try and log into Exo so that we can see this all together. What the heck? Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Here we go. All right, let's check it out. The J-Boy Bullish chart. J-Boy Bullish is bearish. J-Boy bearish. Why is J-Boy bearish? Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. 7 million people longed the exact top, trapped like a rat. You know what though, J-Boy Bullish? You know what? Is that just shorts getting liquidated, bro? Because it did happen on a decrease of OI. It did happen on a decrease of OI. You know? Are they trapped? It happened on a decrease of OI. We did have some longs open up here, about 1.6 mil, and we had some shorts as well. All right, we're gonna have to watch. J-Boy bearish in the house, getting bearish. We got the doji on the 1 hour candle. Doji in Japanese means indecision. Is that true? I don't know. I heard it maybe, I think somewhere, and I'm gonna say it again, and it sounds right, and I'm a YouTuber, so I can say whatever I want. Maybe people will take me seriously, right? All I want in life is for people to take me seriously. Oh my goodness. Guys, what a crazy day. What a crazy day. Yeah, all right. We didn't get the likes, but here's the thing, guys. I'll extend it for another 5 minutes. If everyone likes the video right now, I'll extend for another 5 minutes. We'll give away $1,000 if everyone just likes the video right now. Oh man, guys, I'm telling you, I am feeling freaked out. All right. As this candle is getting more bearish, as J-Boy bearish, self-fulfilling prophecy coming true. All right. SBF is awaiting his sentence, and on this 4 hour chart, on the 1 hour chart, we got this very bearish looking doji candle. All right, Dogecoin, a Doge candle. All right, this Doge candle, Elon Musk was just on Saturday Night Live for the purpose of pumping Doge. I bought right here, and we are getting a drastic move to the downside right now. It's so drastic that I might actually FOMO out of the trade. All right, we gotta focus. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Okay, let's pump it up, baby. All right, let's pump it up, baby. Thursday dump, I don't know, man. E-roll, I don't know. I think maybe we get some pumpage here, all right? We're hanging in for the long. We're gonna wait and see how this hourly candle closes. We got 6 minutes on the clock. If this thing closes purple, I might take out some profits here. All right. Shout out to Van Aswan. He says, dump, let's go. Don't dump the dang Bitcoin on me, guys. I literally shorted a little early here. All right, but man, shout out to Jonathan Morris. He goes all in on my grunts and moans. The higher the sentence, the more he will dump. I don't know, dude. I think the higher the sentence, the more he will pump. All right. Shout out to Master JTN with the super chat. Please check ETH-FI. All right, we can check ETH-FI. All right, let's check ETH-FI. Let's check ETH-FI. All right. Man, guys, I was expecting to pump all week. I've been bullish. You know, I'm making a fool of myself over here, okay? But that's all right. All right, we press on. Let's take a look at ETH-FI, all right? We're going to set some alerts on Bitcoin just in case of dumpage. We need to FOMO out. We're up over $10,000. We're up right now $17,000 on the juicy long trade set up given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. So let's set some alerts on Bitcoin here. All right, I do want to know. Let's go to the hourly. If we come back down to the VWAP, all right? We come to the VWAP, and also I want to know if we start to pump and make a new high here. All right, let's check out ETH-FI. We'll go to the weekly time frame first. Brand new listing. Let's go to the daily. Obviously very bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour. Quite bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. All right, let's go to the 1 hour. Let's take a look at the volume that we've traded here. Okay, let's take a look at some Fibonacci pulls from low to high. Okay. So the first area of support we have on this thing is going to be right around $6.30. The reason is because we have the 382 Fibonacci. We have the weekly VWAP, which is the first weekly VWAP ever, I guess. No, that's not true. It's the second one. And we have the value area high of the range. If we lose that, guys, I would say I would love to see a move back down toward around this zone, around the $4-ish zone, because this is now the high volume node of the entire move. It's the 786, and it's clearly a support resistance flip, right? Now here's the thing, I don't know a dang thing about ETH-FI, all right? I'm not a fundamental trader. I'm literally only a technical trader, guys, okay? I only trade based on the chart, all right? This is how I'm able to get the most precise, juicy entries given in advance like this, because I trade the chart. I'm looking for a level. Now, if ETH-FI, all right, if ETH-FI is a rug pull, meme coin, Sam Bankman-Fried created it just to rug pull everybody, I do not know. And I also do not care. All I'm here to tell you is the chart. If you're bullish on this thing fundamentally, it just listed. For me, if I was bullish fundamentally, I would definitely deploy some capital here, and I would definitely deploy some capital here if we happen to get a move. That's a big move down. But if it happens, 40% correction, very possible, we are buying now at the fair price, what it should actually be worth. Right now it's very overvalued. Fair price is going to be down at the high volume node, right? So assuming extra bullishness, like if you're super dang bullish on an asset and you don't think we're going to get any corrections straight to the moon, then you want to buy local supports on the way up. But if you don't want to buy high, then wait for price to come back down to a fair value and buy here and below, right? That way you're buying cheap and then you're selling high, right? That's all I can say about it. All right, huge shout. We are getting a little bit back of a move up. Nothing too crazy. We still got this doji candle. 2 minutes until the candle closes, guys. We are up 13,000 US dollars on this trade, plus another 16,000 US dollars. All right, we are up $30,000 in profits on these Bitcoin longs, plus another 21. We're up 50K right now. I could close the trade and I could have a year's salary right now. But am I going to do it? No. Why? For the YouTube sensationalism. All right? It's worth it if you guys see me get wrecked and lose $50,000 just for the views, because the purpose of life is to get YouTube views and clicks and sensational thumbnails. All right? I mean, besides, I am just so convinced and bullish. All right? I cannot stop making this face in all my thumbnails. Man. All right, let's go. Let's go. Again, if we start to lose these levels, I am going to be closing out some profits here. In all seriousness, let's check out, see if we have any more super chats in the house. God bless all of you. Thank you so much for leaving the super chats. Shout out to Master JTN for wishing me a blessed holy week. Shout out to Good Eggs NFT. Shout out to Master JTN, ETH-FI. Shout out to Master JTN for 2 super chats. Yes, ETH-FI. Yeah, God bless you, man. Thank you so much for the super chats. All right. I really appreciate that. All right. Really do. All right. All right. Elliott Wave is active in ETH-FI. I'm not much of an Elliott Wave trader, but if it is, that's great, okay? Huge shout out to Sa Pinto. Shout out to Arctic Fox. He says, close the 50K, please. Look, man, we just closed the blue candle. Now we're getting a pump, baby. One more deep sweep, says Jay-Z. One more deep sweep. A deep sweep. Shout out to JR. He says, timber! Timber! All right. Shout out to Redaz. He's been trading for 2 years and has the same entry as me. CryptoFace going live in 15 minutes. Man, is he going to be long or short? I'm getting a little bit nervous here. All right. Shout out to CryptoFace. Is CryptoFace bullish or bearish? How do you know he's going live? He did the thing? Let me see. Let me see. He's long, baby. 5 million. All right. All right, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I wonder if CryptoFace sees what I see. All right. I wonder if CryptoFace has a turkey pencil neck market cipher mug. All right, my favorite mug in the world. You know? 3-day-old coffee. Delicious. Delicious. How many calories do I burn a day? I don't even know. Shout out to Rex from the Philippines. Shout out to James Roy. Shout out to Man Hones. Says, I love you, Jason. I want to give birth to you. Strange comment, my friend, but I also love you. May the Lord bless you in Jesus' name. He's in a $5 million long, all right? I'm in a $700,000 long. All right, liquidity grab, 71777. I'll tell you why I don't think that, man. I'll tell you why. We already got the liquidity grab. We already got the liquidity grab. So, you know, I don't know. Look, I don't think so. All right. All right, put a 1 in the chat if you're bullish, and a 2 in the chat if you're bearish. Actually, let me create a new poll here. All right, let me create a new poll. Let me know if you guys are bullish or bearish. Most of you think Bitcoin's going to make a new high, but let's clarify a little bit. Bullish or bearish? All right, J-Boy bearish is bearish. All right, now J-Boy bullish is a good trader, so I'm giving him a little bit of a hard time here, but I respect his TA. Look, I'm just an idiot YouTuber. All right, I'm not a real trader. I'm just an idiot YouTuber. All right, let's see what you guys say with the poll here as Bitcoin's pumping 50-50. Oh man, most bullish 50-50. Now most bullish again, 73% bullish as Bitcoin's getting a blue candle to the upside, baby. Here we go. SBF locked up in prison for 1,000 years. Ah! He's in jail, baby. How shocking. How shocking. But you know what? Look, good old SBF. We all make mistakes in life. His biggest mistake was actually letting himself go. Because little did he know that the real reason, guys, the real reason he is in jail right now isn't because of money laundering, isn't because of a fraudulent organization. It's because of illegal inside trading. Because with his uneven boobs, he was telling us the market tops and bottoms. All right? He was telling us the market tops and bottoms. This is how I got into this long trade right here that you see. Inside trading, Sam Bankman-Fried. His crooked man boob pattern on market Cipher B. Left boob bigger than the right. Giving us that entry. All right, so that's why he's going away for inside trading. So we're going to have to see if we can continue to pump right now. This is crazy, man. This is wild. Let's go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Now let's do some low time frame analysis because we do need to be careful. We do need to be careful. I have a feeling we're coming up to. Let's see. Uh-oh. All right, so yeah, we really need to come above right now, guys. We need to come above this zone right here. This is the local Fibonacci sisters. The local Fibonacci sisters. All right. First, we have the 618 Fibonacci. The 618 Fibonacci, we're coming to her right now. My high school crush, the 618 Fibonacci level. Here she is right here, that 618 golden pocket. Here's a picture of her, 6 Juanita. Rejecting me every time I ask her on a date because I'm in the friend zone. She's not into nice guys, all right? She's into bad guys like Sam Bankman-Fried, but he's in jail now. Of course, we have the other sister, the 786 Fibonacci. Always rejecting me when I ask her on a date. In that deep voice, sorry, Jason, I'm just not into you like that. It's okay, 786, yeah. But we are coming right now to the Fibonacci golden pocket as we speak. Look at this, guys. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Look at this, man. Oh, no. Rejection. 6 Juanita. Can we go steady? Maybe we could become an item. My pickup game. How's my pickup game, you guys think? 6 Juanita. Can you please be my girlfriend and maybe we could go steady? After all, we've known each other for quite some time. After all, your ex-boyfriend's going to jail. 6 Juanita, please. Please, I'm begging you, 6 Juanita. I just can't imagine. Oh, looks like she says yes. Yes, Jason, Sam Bankman-Fried's in jail. Yes, I think we can go out on a date. Why don't we go out for some pizza? I'm gluten-free, 6 Juanita. Can we try something different? All right, she's into it. She's down with the gluten-free because your boy JC Casper, man, he's hip. Gluten is the enemy these days. It was fine for us for a long time, but now, gluten, bad. All right, bread, bad. Carbs are bad nowadays. They used to be good, but now they're bad, and 6 Juanita knows it. And now we're going to go out to a gluten-free pizza place. And while we're at that pizzeria, we're going to run into none other than 6 Juanita's older sister, the 786, and we're coming to it right now. Oh my goodness, here we go. All right. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. We're pumping. All right, we're coming. 786, you're gonna go out with us? Now, here's the thing. Secretly, we hope she says no. All right? Secretly, we hope she says no. Please, 786, baby. But let's see how it plays out here. We're coming up to her. All right? Shout out to all my keto people in the chat. Gluten-free, food-free, water-free, baby. Look, no hate on gluten-free. In all honesty, I really don't eat gluten. I don't eat wheat. I don't eat wheat. Not that I'm against it. I just don't really eat it, you know? So, look, I feel better when I don't eat it. But maybe it's the wheat in America, because people say when you go to Europe and you eat the pasta, right? The pasta, you know? Is that the right way to say it? For all my Italian folks out there, is that how you say pasta? When you eat the pasta, that's the Canadian way to say it. They say, I feel all right. I feel all right in Italy eating the pasta. Ah! Ah! Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Ah! Okay, all right. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Take a deep breath. All right, what do they tell you? In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Mouth. Whew. All right, let's see how it plays out here, guys. All right, let's check a quick look once again at the order flow. Now, look, here's the thing. You know, all this volatility is really just happening within our white box of mystery right here. All right, our white box of mystery, man. We are up right now. Insane profits. Insane. I can't even believe this. 15,000 plus 16,000. That's 31 plus 21. Man, it's crazy, guys. Now, can you believe that? Here we go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see what's happening on the order flow chart. All right, so we unfortunately, guys, had some more longs long the top right there. Dang it, you long toppers, you top longers. Now, secretly, it's like, did we really want to go out with this chick? I don't know, but also we're in a long trade, so we need to. Oh. Come on, Bitcoin. You stupid top longers, ruining it for everybody else. You people longing from the top, ruin it for the people who long from the exact bottom. Come on, you long toppers. Don't ruin it for your boy. We're here on the internet. We're trying to be sensational for the views and the clicks and the subscribers. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. All right, bear flag forming on the 1 second. Ah! Breakdown from the bear flag on the 1 second. Ah! Dang it, Jason. All right, let's see what we got going on. Man, oh man. That time we really did have a lot of longs along the top there. All right, let's wait it and see. Let's wait it and see, all right? Let's wait it and see. All right, so, oh my goodness. For real, guys, is this really how it goes down, Bitcoin? Close the 1 minute candle below this line, and I'm closing, man. I'm closing. I'm out. All right, this is the line in the sand. The line in the sand for Biddy, the Bitcoin. The cornster. All right, we'll probably take a trip down to the VWAP, guys, at around 70,460. All right, let's check out Market Cipher B on the 1 minute. How's she looking here? Bearish divergences. All right, check this out, guys. Check this out, all right? Here's what's going to happen. We're going to come down to the VWAP, all right? People are going to get bearish. We're going to trap some shorts underneath the VWAP, and then we're going to pump, baby. We're going to trap some shorts under the VWAP, and then we're going to pump straight to 100K, all right? Let's see how it goes. All right, let's see how she goes, how she blows, how she goes. Let's see it. In the nose. In the nose! There she blows! The Italians got mad at me and dumped for eating pasta! Alright. SBF dumping us again. Oh, I know. Alright, so look, guys, objectively speaking here, this looks pretty dang bearish to me right now. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit nervous. The only thing I'm hoping for, guys, is bullish divergences into the VWAP right now in the 6. That's what I'm hoping for. Look, we've broken out value area high. We got to hodl it. We got to hodl the value area high. All right? Let's see what happens. Oh, my goodness. So we are getting a little local CDW, right? We're that white line I drew on the chart. Look at that, guys. Look at the white line. See, the reason why we're bouncing from a white line is very technical, but the reason is because Jason Casper put a line on the chart, and price must respect Jason Casper's line. Jason Casper is a very good trader. Now me, I suck. All right? Jason Casper is a character. You might have seen him on YouTube. He's just a made-up character. He's a really good trader. That's part of his character. You know, he has superhuman abilities. He's a made-up character. Me, you know, I kind of suck. All right? But Jason Casper, let me tell you, I look up to that guy, man. How does he do it all? Trades, homesteader, goes to the gym every day, disciplined, Bible scholar, farmer, father, husband. How the heck does he do it? Now me, if I tried to do all those things, I'd be always on the verge of a mental breakdown. But Jason Casper, he somehow handles it. You know? That's what's so cool about the internet and social media. You know? All right, let's see here. Who we got in the chat, baby? He says, put on the 15-minute chart and quit tripping. All right, let's put on the 15-minute chart and quit tripping. Yeah, Jason Casper makes his own soap, but me, man. Whoa, 15-minute chart looks super dang horribly bearish. Like we're gonna dump all the way back down to $0,000. Man, I don't want to close the 1 minute below that level, but the truth is, guys, we're most likely, I would say, going to come back down eventually. If we don't pump like crazy right now, we're going to come back down to test the VWAP, all right? Let's check out J-Boy Bearish's sentiment here. All right, how's it looking right now? You know what? I'll be honest with you guys. Now we've trapped some shorts kind of at these lows. Now we've trapped some shorts at the lows. Hang on, I have a ladybug on my leg. Hang on. Look at this, guys. Now we trapped some shorts at the lows. Can you believe that? Can you believe it? We trapped some shorts at the lows now. Let's see if we get a little move. All right? Yeah, we're going to go exactly to $0,000. $0,000. Guys, we got 2,000 people in the house. Make sure to like the stream, all right? I'm putting my neck on the line right here. All right, I'm in $700,000 Bitcoin long. I'm in a $150,000 Bitcoin short. Well, I'm in $700,000 worth of Bitcoin longs. Neck on the line, guys. Coming out publicly saying bullish. We're going to pump. All right. So let's see. Yeah. Make sure to like the dang stream, guys. Shout out to Steven Minsky. Hello, Jason Casper. Shout out to Telone. He says LOL. Shout out to Ladybug as a sign of luck. I'm infested with them. Right now, I've got like 50 on my window outside. It's crazy. Do I think Bitcoin is creating a weekly cup and handle? Probably, man. I think Bitcoin's going to pump like crazy this year. All right? Shout out to Heisenberg in the chat. Yo, Heisenberg, what's going on, my man? Heisenberg, what's going on? Hey, Heisenberg over here. What's going on, my man? Dolores says hi, all right? Dolores says hi. All right. J-Boy Bullish, he took some profits over here. All right. He took some profits over here. All right, can we analyze Dusk? All right, Imperial 88. Because of all the hearts, because of all the love you're showing right now, let's analyze Dusk. It's that strange time of day. It's not day, it's not night. It's dusk. My mom used to always tell me, Jason, Casper, don't you go riding your bike out at dusk because the drivers can't see you. You might get hit by a car. Now let's analyze Dusk, all right? Is it gonna get hit by a car? Well, first of all, the weekly time frame right now is very bullish. We've just broken out of a Hup and Dandle, a Coupe de Handel, as Sam Price would say, I think. Coupe del Handel. Okay, so we're on daily time frame, daily bearish divergences. We're overextended. Let's check out the volume. All right, let's see, where would I want to buy some Dusk if I was forced to? If someone put a gun to my head and said, Jason, you must buy Dusk, where would I buy? Well, what I like to do is I like to look at Fibonacci and volume pulls. All right, so for me, we have a spike in volume right here at around 27 cents. So look, if we're very bullish, I would be looking to buy back down in this zone right here between 22 and 27 cents. If we get a very large pullback, anywhere underneath 17 cents is a good value, objectively speaking, right? If we're looking to buy this at a good value, objectively speaking, based on everything we've had here since listing back in February, anything below 17 cents is on a discount based on where all the volume is traded, right? So in general, if I was forced to have an investment plan for Dusk, this would have to be it. Is that going to happen? I don't know. If I was much more bullish on Dusk and I said to myself, Jason, there's no way Dusk is going to go that low. We're too bullish. All right, Jason? We're too bullish, man. How do you expect it to go all the way back down there, Jason? You crazy, silly YouTuber. Well, in that case, I would be looking to get some right here because this is the zone where most of the volume has traded in this little local move to the upside. And also, as long as we hold this box, the market is showing that indeed, Dusk, the market does not want to trade Dusk at lower prices. If we can hold above this old value area high, which is at 23 cents, then the market is telling us we want to establish a new fair value for the asset. And the old fair value is too cheap, right? So if you're very bullish, 23 to 27 cents. If you're not that bullish, but you still think it's bullish, anything under 17 cents is a bargain, my friend. It's a bargain. All right, Bitcoin back on the move, baby. Bitcoin back on the pump, baby. Bitcoin back on the pump. All right. Here we go, back on the pump. All right. All right. Ladybugs are good for mice in the gardens. All right. Maybe. Is Bitcoin a good stock? I have a few shares. All right. Now, there was some bearish news about the CEO. He apparently is being sentenced right now to jail. All right. I have a picture of it too. Shout out to iBird. He says, look at XRD, Radix. Radix. All right. We will take a look at Radix. Come on, Bitcoin. Uh-oh, this is not good. Bitcoin. This is not good. All right, let's take a look at Radix. Okay, so the last time we looked at Radix, we were saying, you know what? Radix is bursting out of this falling wedge pattern, and we expect the highs. and I said, let's long a retest. Well, guess what? We never got a retest. So guess what? I never bought Radix. So guess what? Well, we have to come up with a new plan. All right. Now, here's the thing. When we made this analysis, we were still down here within the, it was before the breakout, right? So for me, when it's before the breakout, if you're interested in it, always buy. As the breakout's happening, it's best to wait for a retest, okay? So now, after a breakout with no retest, what do? Well, it becomes difficult. It becomes difficult. Do you want to buy a coin after it's pumped 150%? Right? We're how far away are we from the target of this thing? 76% away from the target, 60% away from the low. It's not a good risk to reward right now. We have to do some analysis here and wait for some kind of a pullback. So let's pull the volume. All right, so we did retest value area high. We didn't retest the trend line. All right, now let's pull a fib from current low to current high. Okay, so, man, you know, I have to say that, unfortunately for me, the place I would be interested in buying would be to come back down to this low. Are we going to do that? I don't know. I do not know. It looks pretty bullish to me. Like, this really, the daily time frame looks very bullish. Let's check out the weekly. So weekly's gotten that money flow cross. Money flow cross in the weekly. That's go time, man. Look at that. Look, okay, so here's the thing. Like, most of the time, money flow cross in the weekly means it's go time. Okay? Money flow cross is down here, and we make another lower low after the money flow cross. So for spot plays, guys, weekly money flow crossing into the, from the purple into the blue, this is what you want to, this is what you want to look for. If you're interested in a coin on spot and you're bullish on it and it's consolidating in a pattern during a bull market, that weekly money flow cross, that's go time. That's capital deployation time. You know, the deployation of capital. Deployation. Man, so let's see if we can't find anything more local here. It looks bullish to me across all time frames. I can't really think of a place to get in. The only place right now would have to be a local entry from most recent swing low to most recent swing high. And let's get some confluence with the volume here. Yeah, so for me, if we happen to get a move back down to between 6.4 and 6.8 cents, we got the Fibonacci golden pocket. We got the high volume node, and we got this little last area of consolidation. So yeah, but other than that, Radix super bullish, right? I've missed the train. Radix, that train has sailed. That train has sailed away. All right, shout out to GG Daily. Shout out to Philip. He says, please look at RSR. Man, that's an old school from the last bull market, RSR. I remember everyone was super bullish on RSR last time. Doge, look, Dogecoin's gonna pump. Bitcoin to 1 million. All right, huge shout out to our super chats. J-Boy Bullish wishes we could get some bullish CBD. We got some super chats in the hoops, baby. All right, major shout out to Chris Marsden. He says, appreciate you, Mr. Casper, and you and Frankie Candles are my boys. Thoughts on SHIB short term? All right, shout out to iBird. Shout out to London Cabby. SBF will be okay. You feel sorry for him. Thanks to Albright, I introduced Bitcoin in 2011. Thanks to the Lord. Oh, interesting, man. You've been in Bitcoin since 2011. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. All right, take a look at SHIB. Take a quick look at Shiba Inu. All right, Shiba Inu. Now, I'm loaded up on some SHIB right now, guys. I'll be honest. I'm loaded up on SHIB, and the reason is because when we dumped back in November 2022, you know, I had to buy me some SHIB, right? I had to buy me some SHIB. And, you know, it went down lower from the time I bought it, but that's all good. All right. All right, so look, now when coins pump like this, the only options that we have, guys, really, the only options that we really have are wait for a pullback or buy the top, right? So for me right now, this has to be my SHIB plan. Or is it going to happen? It looks like we already got the bounce before that happened, right? The reason why I was looking at this level is because it was the golden pocket pull from the macro low to the high, and it also lined up beautifully with this support resistance flip that we have right here. All right, we have to understand that now that SHIB has broken out of the introverted head and shoulders and hit the target of the introverted, shy, doesn't like to talk to a lot of people, quiet in a big crowd, head and shoulders, that what used to be resistance from back here is now going to be our support. And so now that we've flipped resistance into support, if we want to buy this thing as support, we need to wait for a move back down to support. Is that going to happen? I don't know, right? I don't know. But the next target for SHIB is going to be the Fibonacci golden pocket at around 5862. All right, so this was my plan for SHIB. This still has to be my plan for SHIB right now. Unfortunately, we didn't come down to value area low. We came back down to the POC of the range. See, that's my problem. I'm always looking for more of a pullback than the market gives me. All right. But here's the thing. If you're very bullish on SHIB right now, which I would caution, I would never buy SHIB here. That's just me. But if you're very bullish on SHIB now, we do have a valid setup, which is you get in here, your stop loss goes below the low, and then your target is around the 786. That's a 4.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. You know, so if you're risking 1% of your stack, right? If you're putting $100 on the trade, you either lose 100 or you make 400. All right, so it's not a bad setup. It's just for me, you know, I don't like to get into coins when they're in this kind of thing here. I just don't. I like to wait for something more drastic, but it's usually never drastic enough for me to say, you know what? You know what? Here we go, baby. Bitcoin pumping. Let me get a candle. All right, Bitcoin looking good, man. She's looking good. 24-minute bearish divergences fading into the sunset. All right, fading into the sunset. Huge shout out to the sponsors of the channel, by the way. Shout out to Market Cipher, shout out to CryptoFace, shout out to MEXC. Links in the description, guys. Best deal on fees. Shout out to BingX, ZoomX, the exchanges I'm trading on. All right, shout out to the Casper crew VIP Discord. All right, that's where we give our juicy setups. Yesterday we gave the short, we gave the long. All right, we gave that long. I let everybody know when I was long. It's not just me in there too. K-Pax, Boyan, White Phoenix, everybody, the instructors in the Casper crew. Absolutely crushing it with the trades and the analysis. Come on, Bitcoin. I feel it. I feel it in my bones, guys. Look at the 12-minute on Market Cipher B right now, guys. We thought we were bearish. Look at the 12-minute right now. Let's pop on over to MC. All right. Let's pop on over to MC. Look at this, guys. Would you look? Would you look? Money flow thickening. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Money flow about to cross on the 4-hour. Once we get that 4-hour money flow cross, baby, Bitcoin pumping. Let me wear some sandals. Bitcoin pumping. Let me wear some sandals. Shout out to CFX Trades. Shout out to Crypto Coons. Shout out to Atik G. Jason, 1 like's complete. Let's do a giveaway. I can't, my friend. You got to like in the first half hour, and I gave you 40 minutes. So tomorrow, all right? Tomorrow, we can do the giveaway, all right? Am I still bullish on Gala? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Filecoin, I'm bullish on Filecoin. All right, shout out to Malanga. The music is not loud enough, huh? Music's not loud enough. Interesting. All right, well, let's crank it up, baby. Let's crank up the music, all right? Let's crank it up a little bit. All right. This is getting real, man. We gotta do the pump song, because this is about to pump, all right? This is about to pump right now. All right, this is the pump song, guaranteed 100% to pump the price of Bitcoin every single time. It works 25% of the time, every single time. Here we go, baby. right, now here's the deal with the pump song, all right? It only works if we all sing it together. Okay? If I'm the only one, it's not gonna work, all right? So if you're at work and you're listening from your cubicle, crank it up, man, and get everybody in the office to sing along, because we gotta do this, all right? Let's pump! Yeah! Here we go. Here we go. All right. Are we gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump, baby. Let's do it. Come on. Here we go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Here we go. Let's pump. Let's pump. Yeah. Here we go. We're pumping, baby. Here we go. Yeah. We're gonna pump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah, here we go. Woo! We are pumping the Bitcoin price live on YouTube. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. We're gonna plunge it to the upside, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Now look. We all came here tonight for one reason and one reason only, and that's to pump the Bitcoin price straight to 100K. We are getting a move. Here we go, baby. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. All right, we just took that previous high. How's it looking, guys? How's it looking? I want some follow through here, baby. I want some follow through. All right, let's pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping straight to the moon. Now we're pumping straight to the moon. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K, 100K. We're pumping Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping. A blue candle. Oh no, we're dumping. But let me see a blue candle. Now we pump up straight to the moon. Now we pump up straight to the moon. Whoa! Come on, Bitcoin. Let's pump it up right now. Come on, don't dump on me now. Don't dump on me now. Let's pump this Bitcoin going straight up to 100K. Let's go. Oh no. We're pumping Bitcoin. She needs to go back to 100K. 100K. Please don't dump Bitcoin. I love the top and now I'm not okay. I'm not. Oh. Yeah. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. Sheesh. What is going on with this Bitcoin price, baby? You know? Let's pump it, baby. Huh. What the heck? Hang on one second. My computer is not charging. Give me 1 second. Alright, we good. Yo. Here we go. Bitcoin starting to pump. Sang the pump song, then we just started to dump. But here we go. Candles pumping straight up to the sky. Got the blue candles coming fresh all up in my eyes. Then we pump real high. Beats over. Aww. Well, that's lame. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Am I looking at the 1 minute market cipher B? Let's check out 1 minute market cipher B. Looks good to me. Let's see if we can get a pump. Oh man, look at this. Just trading the 1 second range. Trading the 1 second range here. Here we go, baby. Here we go. All right, we're trading the 1 second range, baby. Let's do this thing. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Shout out to Alpha Vision. Shout out to Madness. Shout out to Maylo. Now it's pumping. Now it's dumping. Look, we're just trading a 1 second range here. We need another 1 minute green dot here. Okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. The bulls are trying hard. All right. Let's take a quick look at the order flow chart here. All right. So we had a big decrease of open interest with that, and now we actually have a lot of shorts opening up. We actually have quite a few shorts opening up in the moment here. So we had a big decrease of OI. Now shorts are opening up. All right. All right. Now the shorts are opening up. Yo, hey, yo, check it, look at the charts, come in front, what do I see? Prices going crazy with volatility. Then I look at the chat, they say, look at MCB on the 1 minute chart. Just take a peek, so then I look, and what do you know? As I look at the money flow coming up to give me a show, but then I go over to the order flow. We see a decrease of OI. Then what do you know? We got shorts getting wrecked. Then they open again. They think things are bearish, so they called their friends. They said, yo, open up a short. Don't long Bitcoin if you don't want to get hurt, but they don't know Jay Casper in a long, and he's here on the YouTube singing the pump song. Straight to 100K, that song next. Trading Bitcoin, long trades, that is the best. And here we are, 50K, unrealized profit. If we start to dump, maybe I'll have to stop it and take profit a bit early. Hope my name's not Shirley. Looking out the window, things are looking little dirty. Here we go on the treadmill every day, taking step after step, just trying to get paid on the live stream. And my eyes are green, then they're purple as I look at the computer screen. Man, candles turning blue, then they're turning purple. Got analysis, I'm like a nerd, they call me Steve Urkel. Then I'm coming down back to support. Bitcoin trading every day, my market cipher short. Got the Pikachu hat on my head. If you short Bitcoin, your trade will be dead. Now the beat might be coming to an end, but it's okay. We're trading here with our good friends. Oh snap, no, the beat is back. If price comes down, it will have to snap back up. Got myself a nice cup. Autographed by Crypto Face himself, but then it washed off in the washer. Oop, what a way to end the song, huh? All right. Yo, here we go. Bitcoin gonna pump. Sorry for the bears who think it's gonna dump. I said, here we go. Bitcoin about to pump. I feel sorry for the bears who think it's gonna dump. I said, here we go. Bitcoin gonna pump, and I feel sorry for the bears who think it's gonna dump. I said, here we go. Bitcoin about to pump, and I feel sorry for the bears who think it's about to dump. Here we go, got the crypto flow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the J Casper Show, where we trade every day, walking treadmills to get paid. Every single day when the chickens are getting laid, laying the eggs, looking at bags, eating eggs for breakfast, that's how we trade. Got the candles turning purple and blue. Bitcoin pumping, walking through my shoes. Here we go on the treadmill. Bitcoin price is going up the hill, cause we're about to pump to 100K by the end of the day, if you hear what I say. Now we got a little bit of a pullback. Bitcoin's gonna snap, man, can't you hear that hack? Here it comes, Bitcoin's pumping, it's about to run. Yo, shout out to all my people in the chat. We got 2,000 people, what you think about that? As Bitcoin's pumping really high, my face is gonna cry if we start to dump back right to my end try. Jonathan Morris in the chat. Not that signature, man, what a hat. Take it off, I hope you don't scoff at my Pikachu hat or my glasses on my knob. Hey, check out my man Joe Potter with the T-Rex. What you think Bitcoin's gonna do next? We gonna dump? Maybe we will pump. Bitcoin about to fly, we're not in a slump. Hey, shout out to my man J-Boy Bullish. He was feeling bearish, looking kinda scarish. Better cut my hairish, starting to smell squarish. All right. All right, we're getting another little bit of a pump here, guys. All right, another little bit of a pump. A little bit of a pump. Here we go, little bit of a pump. Bitcoin flying, we are not in a slump. Then I take a look left and right. Got the bulls and the bears, they're in a nice fight. Here we go, like Biden and Trump. Bitcoin price looking like it's gonna pump. Got the politics hitting up on the screen every single day, if you know what I mean. Then we got a man up in the chat. He says, sign J to chicken, drink water records. What about that? Joe Pop says pump. Marcus says dump. We got a fight going on. What's it gonna slump, man? It's okay, I got the plunger. Bitcoin price, man, maybe it goes under. But when the water starts to overflow in the toilet bowl, then you gotta do it, don't you know? Hope it doesn't spill out all over the floor. The water starts creeping to the door. And the worst part about it, as you're at, man, this beat got me tripping, starting to stopping. I don't know whether stopping or spitting, but hey, here we go, gotta keep on playing. Don't care, every day the trade's still paying. Alright. Man, I keep thinking the beat's over. But, you know, then it keeps on beating. Alright, alright. Come on, Bitcoin, come on, Bitcoin, come on, Bitcoin, come on. Alright, let's see who we got in the chat right now. Shout out to my super chats. Shout out to Marquez, Daria. Shout out to iBird. How about VeChain? Yeah, we can take a quick little look at Vet. Alright. VeChain. VeChain. That's the coin that they're going to use for animal medical expenses. Vet coin. Let's check it out. Now, honestly, guys, I'm very bullish on VeChain. And to be honest, also with you guys, you know, VeChain has gotten the bounce that we have been looking for here, right? So, last time we looked at VeChain, we were looking for a bounce from the support resistance flip. We've come down, we've gotten that. We have a trigger wave on the daily. That's definitely a buy zone for me. Next resistance for VeChain is going to be 5.9 cents, about 6 cents. And then really my major target for VeChain right now, based on this bounce, is going to be around 10 cents. Anything under this area, I'd say is a good buy zone for me. This purple area right here is a good buy zone for me because when we're looking at the volume, we have this nice low volume node here and this nice previous range here. So basically, as long as we're holding above this area, as long as we're holding above, let's say 3 cents, it's very, very, very bullish market structure. And I would look to accumulate basically between where we're at now and about 3 cents. And my final target is going to be 10 cents. And then obviously we shoot for new all-time highs. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. So here we are, Bitcoin on the 1 minute, another little CDW. We got the strugs. All right, Bitcoin got the struggle right here. All right, Bitcoin does have the struggle. We have to admit it. The way price is happening right now, guys, makes me think when we do dump, it's going to dump like crazy. All right. When Bitcoin dumps, it's going to dump like crazy. All right. This 4 hour is going to give us a big pump. But then we're going to get a big dump. That's my prediction. Pump and dump, all right? Prediction, pump and dump. All right, shout out to T Cash for the super chat. Major shout out to T Cash with the super chat. Can we look at Palm AI? Sure, we could look at Palm AI. Here we go, Bitcoin. Here we go, Bitcoin. Here we go. All right, so look, Palm AI, guys. For me, this is a buy right now. All right, not financial advice. For me, this is a buy. Palm AI, it's a buy. Right? This is where I start to buy. This is a buy zone for me. Where we're at right now, down to the 786, this is where I buy on spot. And then we look for the move up. All right? Not financial advice. But this is my plan. All right, let's check it out. Are we getting bull divs? Yep, we're getting some bull divs here. I don't know anything about this coin. But for me, this is a buy zone. Honestly, the 3 hour looks pretty like we're going to come down more. Ideally, what we'd want to see is this, right? Another bottom on the 4 hour higher. And this would be buy zone for me. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. She's struggling. She's got the strugs. She's got the strugs. All right. All right. If I were to close out this trade right now, we got 17K. Plus 17K. All right. So that's 34,000. 34,000 plus 22. So we're talking, you know, 53K. Should I close out all my trades for $53,000 of profit? We've already made quite a bit of profit here. We've already made quite a bit of profits. I mean, we're already up. I mean, in the last few days, man. I had that $2,000 short, and then a whole bunch of nonsense trades. Yesterday we had some fire trades, man. This is the one. You know, I left a lot of profits on the table, but we're up already just in the past 2 days. We're up like 12. We're up like 20K just in the past 2 days of trading. If I close everything out now, that's like 70K I could make in 2 days. 70K in 2 days. You know what's crazy? You know, money's a strange thing. 70K, why would I even risk that? 70K! That's a lot of money. You know, Jason, are you an idiot? Maybe I am. But man, I feel like we're gonna pump. All right, I feel like we're gonna get another pump. All right, I feel like we're gonna get another pump. All right, I feel like we're about to get another pump. Sign of Jonah says, close them, close them, close them. Well, here's the thing. Like, if we really start to dump, I will close them. I'm not going to close these trades in losing trades, all right? Everyone says close them, close them, close them. Take profit, take profit. Look, I already made 20K in 2 days, right? So I'll take that, right? There'll be plenty of other trades to take, but whoa, purple candle. Another purple candle, Bitcoin. All right, let's take a look at the order flow chart. All right, let's take a look at the order flow chart. We got time, guys. We can relax. We can relax, all right? We don't have to FOMO in and out of positions here. All right, we got plenty of time. Let's check it out. Bullish CBD. Bullish CBD right here, guys. We got shorts opening up. Price making a higher low. Shorts opening up here. In general, things looking a bit bullish. I'd say this looks bullish to me. Like, this entire move, we've seen bullish CBD, man. You know, look at this. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's pump. Let's at least take the highs, man. Let's at least take the highs. We can at least take the highs, all right? Let's take the highs. Let's take the highs, all right? All right, let's see who else we got in chat right now. Look at that. Look at that, man. All right. CBD is bullish. It looks like exhaustion at the same time. I know, man. It's weird. That's why I think we're going to get a crazy move, and it's going to culminate in a crazy dump, all right? Once we hit new highs. Because we shouldn't be struggling like this. But Market Cipher B don't lie, baby. Market Cipher B don't lie. Shout out to our super chats. Can we look at Telcoin, Lost Liberty? Shout out to Zima, Archangel. Hello, maybe look at Atlas Navi. Atlas Navi. All right, Telcoin. Let's. All right, what is Telcoin? All right, so Telcoin to me looks bullish. Looks like it's going to get continuation to the upside. I'll tell you why. Money flow on the weekly market cipher be about to cross. All right. And also, we broke this resistance here. So yeah, when that money flow crosses, that is go time. But ideally, we would get a back test of this. Let's pull the volume. Yeah, man, if we get a back test of this trend line, that would be really, really, really nice. All right, what are we gonna look at? Navi, Atlas Navi. Oh my goodness. Getting wrecked. Look, I don't know a dang thing about Atlas Navi. All I know is we have a bullish dip on the 1 hour, money flow crossing to the upside. So look, if you're bullish on Atlas Navi, this is our channel. You know, if you're bullish on this thing, accumulate in the channel, wait for the breakout. Right now, we potentially have a something like this that could happen, right? Be watching for the introverted head and shoulders. No one pays attention to the introverted kids at school because they're quiet. They don't talk a lot. They don't get invited to parties. But here's the thing, right? Once they break out, everyone pays attention, right? Then it's too late. So yeah, I would say if you're bullish on this, because I don't know what Atlas Navi is, right? Atlas means map, Navi means prophet in Hebrew. I don't know anything else about it, all right? But if we're accumulating here and we're shooting for a breakout, it's a good risk to reward, all right? I don't know. I'm a technical trader, that's all I know. All right, Bitcoin pumping. Let me get your sandals. They smell kind of bad. Let me get a handle. All right. All I want to see is another blue candle. I don't want to struggle here. I want to see the pump, all right? I don't want to struggle here. What is theta? Theta? Let's check out theta. Theta. All right, guys. So look, man, Jay Casper. Like I said, Jason Casper is a good trader. Okay, he knows stuff. Me, I don't know stuff. All right, but Jason Casper, he knows some stuff. When he puts a green box, you gotta pay attention. So we got the breakout, we got the retest of the golden pocket. Now we pump like a wild woman in distress, running through the wilderness. And so look, I'm expecting new all-time highs on theta. Very bullish. We got the weekly money flow cross happening right down here. Look, unfortunately, we didn't get more of a dip, but look, we got the breakout. We came back down to the golden pocket, and boom. My next target for theta has to be the highs. Really, the golden pocket at $10. That's where our next target is. We're getting a weekly red dot, so you know where to get in, Now, if you're not in theta, I don't know. I mean, we'd have to be looking at this local range breakout here. I mean, like for me, I would want to see a move back down toward $1, but are we gonna get that? I don't know. Then you just have to choose your local supports and look for a low time frame entry, but that's not really my specialty when it comes to altcoins. That's my specialty when it comes to Bitcoin. Altcoins, I'm a high time frame trader, you know? All right, here we go. Bitcoin pumping. Let me sniff your sandals. All I can see are all these blue candles. We got the blue, we ain't got no purple. Do I trade with MEXC? Man, of course I do, man. I'm the biggest MEXC shill in the world. That's not true. We got lots of MEXC shills around here. Do you know why? Because everyone else requires KYC. That's why. But yeah, I'm trading on MEXC right now. Best deal on fees. Link in the description if you want to sign up under me. All right, ICP, boom. ICP going crazy right now. Now, ICP I'm very bullish on in general. All right, let's see. Now, ICP is already broken out of the... It's already broken out, right? So, ICP, the last time we looked at ICP, we were looking for something like this to happen, right? Hang on, let's go to the daily. Now, we didn't get this, obviously. We obviously did not get this. This was saying, if this Head and Shoulders breaks down, it gives us a good buying opportunity. We did not get that, right? Head and Shoulder did not break down. So again, ICP, guys, it's one of those coins where it's like, if you weren't bullish on it before the breakout, you missed the train, right? But ICP right now is getting a move up into the 786, and we do have some really nice bearish divergences here on the daily time frame. So this, in my opinion, means we can look for a pullback. We can look for a nice pullback, which will give us a potentially nice entry. So let's check out where would we look right now. Given the fact that we changed market structure, pull fib low to high. And let's pull the volume here. All right, so for me, if we can get a pullback on ICP, a low time frame, a nice low time frame entry is basically this zone right here, right? Assuming this uptrend continues, we look for the box, which is a nice deal of the local range, coming back down to the low of this local range. An even better entry is still coming down to the golden pocket 786. All right, let's go ahead and pull it now. Yeah, so this is beautiful, guys. Essentially, what I see here is a really nice setup. Now, a setup doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen. A setup is something that happens on the chart, and when it happens, you know you have a good entry on your hands, right? The setup that I see is this. A massive liquidity grab of these lows. Everybody is long on ICP with their stop losses here, their stop losses here, and their stop losses here. If we start to take the lows, we could get a nice fake out, and the fake out would be coming right into the massive zone of support right here between the Fibonacci golden pocket and the 786, and it just also so happens to be a historic support resistance flip. So for me, this is a major buy zone on ICP still. If we get that, I would absolutely buy some ICP on spot, because that, to me, is buying it at a really good price for the next move to the upside. Right? I'm talking between $6 and like $9. It's a range of about 50%. That's a pretty big range. But we have to think to ourselves, if this is our plan and we're shooting for highs, you know, we're still looking at thousands of percent. We're still looking at like 87 times more potential reward than risk. In other words, if we're putting $100 on the trade, we either lose 100 or we make 8,700, right? $8,700. So like, that's not a bad deal. All right, Bitcoin having the strugs, man. Bitcoin struggling along, chugging and plugging, struggling and mugging. All right, man. Shout out to John Ploney. Wow, interesting. Russia says that NATO received a bunch of money in crypto. Interesting, man. I mean, not NATO. Whoops, Freudian slip. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. That's so interesting. I wonder what that'll do for crypto. On the same day that Sam Bankman-Fried is getting sentenced to a life in prison, we got some crypto news coming out about some attacks, some T attacks. You know, those good old T's. Right, we got to check out Bohm. All right, man, Bohm flopping and Bowman over here because, look, I got into some Bohm on the breakout. I'm actually, like, at break even right now. I don't know what to think about Bohm, guys. I thought it was going to pump, all right? I thought it was going to pump. But, look, it's not really. All right, people say Bitcoin's dumping. Bitcoin is dumping, baby. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. Bitcoin is taking a massive one. Sheesh, man. Bear divs and everything. Look, we've got some bullish CBD forming here along the way. Let's check it out again. Do we have bullish CBD? Hang on. No, I was joking. I'm sorry. We don't really have bullish. I was looking at the wrong time frame. Hang on, guys. Yeah, I don't know. I do not know. You know, I really thought Bitcoin was going to see a massive pump today, but we're going to have to wait and see, guys. We got 70K on the line here, all right? Shout out to Aaron G, bro. God bless you, man. It's an early stream today. It's an early stream. All right. 72K is close. Yeah, 72K is pretty close. Man, I was hoping we were going to get a big pump on Bitcoin today, guys, during the stream. We sang the pump song. We did pump it from here to here. All right. 4-hour green dot printing. All right. Let's check out Crypto Face's stream, all right? Let's see, what trade? Oh man, so he's literally long right now. So he has conviction, all right? He is long. Oh wait, this is ETH? All right, he's long on ETH. Dang it. Oh wait, he must be long on Bitcoin too. Here we go. He's long on. Wait. All right, he's long on Bitcoin from 69.3. All right, so he's got some conviction. He's got some conviction. All right, yeah, boom. I bought some boom. It's not doing much. Bitcoin dumping. Let me eat some candles. All right, hopefully we get another pump. Let's check out our 12-minute time frame here. Man, she wants to print a red dot. She wants to give us a bear div. But money flow getting thicker here. Giving me some hope, guys. Giving me some hope. Look, if we get a big dump today, please keep your eyes on the VWAP, all right? If we get a big dump today, keep your eyes on the WAP. Flop through the WAP, guys. We come down, take these lows, and then bam. That's what I expect. That's what I expect, all right? All right, let's check out SPX. Someone's talking about SPX here. Just chilling along on the VWAP, y'all. All right. Chilling along the VWAP. Chilling along the VWAP. Chilling along the VWAP. All right, Bitcoin dumping. If we lose VWAP, guys, I'm gonna be closing out some of this exposure here. All right. Lowest fees in the game, baby. MEXC. All right. Alrighty, man, oh man. What are my thoughts on Caspa? I don't know, it'll probably pump. It'll probably pump, you know? Caspa will probably pump. Everything will probably pump. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out, alright? Pump the King James Bible, amen to that. You know, speaking of that, look, obviously I don't take myself seriously at all, but I do take my relationship with Jesus, my walk with the Lord very, very seriously, because Jesus is the only place you can find eternal purpose and eternal hope in this existence. And what a great comforting thing it is to know that there's a God who actually knows us, who cares about us, who wants to be intimately involved with our lives. And even though mankind is in a sinful, fallen state, God cared about us so much that he actually took on flesh to die in place of us. And then he rose again, back to life, so that if we purpose it in our heart to want to follow him, he'll actually fill us with his Holy Spirit so we can follow him. And we also have the hope of an eternal purpose and a physical bodily resurrection from the dead. What an amazing thing that is. That's what gives me hope every single day when I get up in the morning, y'all. So that being said, God bless you guys. Bitcoin's gonna pump. You heard it here first. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.